Welcome to Compare to Win. The best leather apron is probably one of the most versatile and durable pieces of protective gear you can invest in, offering unparalleled protection against spills, stains, and abrasions, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who works with their hands, whether you're a seasoned professional in a workshop or a passionate home cook in the kitchen, ensuring your clothes and skin remain safe and clean. Number 5. QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron. Introducing the QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron, designed for ultimate protection and durability. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the toughest welding jobs. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with its 6 conveniently placed pockets. Everything you need is organized and accessible, allowing you to focus on your work. Work with confidence knowing this apron offers superior heat and flame resistance. It provides a critical layer of safety against sparks and high temperatures. Measuring 24 by 36 inches, it offers extensive coverage to protect your clothing and body. This generous size ensures you are well shielded during your tasks. Designed for a perfect fit, it's adjustable to accommodate sizes from M to XXXL. Enjoy comfortable wear and full mobility, no matter your body type. Crafted from high-quality leather, this apron is built for longevity. It's an essential piece of gear for any professional welder seeking reliable protection. What we like. This apron offers excellent protection with its heat and flame resistance, perfect for welding. It features ample storage with 6 tool pockets, keeping your essentials handy. If you are a welder looking for reliable protection and convenience, this is a great choice. What people say. The apron is made of thick, durable leather that feels substantial and protective. It features adjustable straps that allow for a comfortable and customized fit. The multiple pockets are very convenient for storing tools and accessories. Number 4. FIGHTECH Heavy Duty Woodworking Apron. Introducing the FIGHTECH Heavy Duty Woodworking Apron. Designed for the dedicated craftsman, it offers unparalleled protection and convenience for all your projects. Crafted from durable materials, this apron is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Its robust construction ensures it will be your trusted companion for years to come. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with its intelligently designed pockets. Stay focused on your work, not on searching for your tools. Experience superior comfort, even during long hours of work. The adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit for maximum mobility and ease. Whether you're a woodworker, blacksmith, or carpenter, this apron is designed to meet your needs. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Find your perfect fit with our range of sizes from M to XXL. We ensure everyone can experience the quality and protection it offers. What we like. Designed for the rigors of woodworking, this heavy-duty apron provides robust protection. It includes practical tool pockets to keep your gear organized and accessible. If you're a woodworker, blacksmith, or carpenter who needs a durable apron for demanding tasks, consider this option. What people say. The apron is made of thick, durable leather that feels like it will last a lifetime. It has multiple pockets that are perfectly sized for tools, making it very convenient for woodworking. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable and secure fit, even during long work sessions. Number 3. YESWELDER Leather Welding Workshop Apron. Introducing the ultimate protective gear for your workshop. Crafted from heavy-duty cowhide, it offers superior resistance against heat and flame. This apron is built to last, ensuring you stay safe and comfortable during demanding tasks. Its robust construction can handle the toughest jobs. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with its 6 strategically placed pockets. Everything you need is conveniently accessible. Designed for both men and women, this apron features adjustable straps for a perfect, secure fit. Enjoy personalized comfort and mobility. With a generous length of 41 inches, it provides extensive coverage, safeguarding your clothing and body from sparks and debris. Whether you're a welder or a blacksmith, this apron is an indispensable addition to your workwear. Experience enhanced safety and functionality. What we like. Experience superior coverage with its impressive 41-inch length, offering enhanced protection. Made from durable cowhide leather, it's resistant to heat and flames, ideal for intense work. If you need maximum coverage and top-tier protection for welding or blacksmithing, this apron is a standout. What people say. Good thick leather. Plenty of pockets for storage. The leather is good quality and the workmanship is first-rate. This apron will far outlast my usage and I think it would satisfy even the most demanding user. The 6 pockets are intelligently placed, tools stay put instead of migrating to the floor. Protection has weight. If you're welding, grinding, or doing serious shop work, this apron earns its keep fast. Durable, practical, and built for people who actually use their tools instead of admiring them. Number 2. NoCry Woodworking Apron for Men. Discover long-lasting durability with this shop apron. Made from heavy-duty fabric and extra-strong stitching, it's ready for your toughest tasks. Every pocket corner is fortified with metal rivets so it won't fray. Enjoy all-day comfort thanks to the crossback straps, designed to eliminate neck strain. The anti-slip shoulder pads keep it in place, so you can work without shifting or slipping. Keep all your tools within reach with this work apron. It comes with a large kangaroo pocket, hook and loop pockets, leather hang loops, and strong magnet holders. The inner pocket for your phone keeps it safe and accessible. Enjoy a comfortable, perfect fit every time. The triangle back slide adjuster allows for easy adjustments to suit any body size. With a quick release buckle and climbing hooks, putting it on and taking it off is fast and hassle-free. Your satisfaction is our top priority. That's why our woodworking apron is backed by a lifetime warranty. Plus, it's machine washable for easy maintenance and we offer free exchanges for size issues. What we like. Say goodbye to neck strain with its comfortable crossback strap design, perfect for long work sessions. It boasts reinforced pockets with metal rivets, a handy magnetic holder, and leather tool loops for superior organization. If you prioritize comfort and smart storage solutions for woodworking or general shop tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Great apron, nice quality. The strap makes a difference on the weight distribution. Solid, comfortable, tough. Pockets are in good spots for accessibility. Shoulder pads are comfortable. Great apron. Saves my clothes from spills and wood chips. Also great at spraying pencils and other items I am using. Number 1. Hudson Durable Goods Waxed Canvas Work Apron. Experience ultimate protection with our heavy-duty waxed canvas apron. It's designed to withstand the toughest jobs and keep you protected from water, oil, and dirt. Stay organized and efficient with multiple tool pockets. Everything you need will be easily accessible, keeping your workspace tidy and your tools within reach. Crafted for comfort, this apron allows for freedom of movement. Its high-quality materials ensure a comfortable fit, even during long working hours. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this apron is perfect for a wide range of tasks. It's the ideal companion for woodworking, mechanics, and more. Made from premium waxed canvas, this apron is built for longevity. It offers exceptional coverage and durability, ready for daily wear and tear. Designed for both men and women, it features an adjustable crossback design for a perfect fit, accommodating sizes up to XXL. What we like. This apron offers excellent protection with its water-resistant waxed canvas, keeping you clean and dry. The comfortable crossback design ensures a great fit for extended wear. If you work in environments where spills or splashes are common, or simply want a stylish and functional apron for various crafts, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Well-placed pockets for all of my most important woodworking gear. It's made from heavy-duty canvas as the description says and really feels like a good layer of protection. The canvas is very thick and ought to be durable. The stitching is excellent, not a thread loose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.